Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a rubber strip. I'll show you guys what it is here. Taking it out of the whole bag. I'll never get it back in again, which is fine. But it is a garage door seal. You see, that's what goes on the bottom of your garage door. So right now, like the bottom, and it comes with a little brush. Right now, the bottom of my garage door is all chopped up, and it's gotten to be where it doesn't close good because it's got spaces and lots of animals can get in there and stuff like that. So what I have to do is I have to slide this strip into the bottom of it, and then when it comes down, it should close up and seal better. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna leave this out for a couple of minutes here, let it get its shape, and then I'm gonna go and install it on my garage. Very cool. Okay, and so it just slides up into here, and look at this. It's just now, it's like a whole nice new bottom of my garage. But then if you looked at my other one, I mean, it does the whole length here. I had to cut it. If you look at my old one up there, that's what it looked like before. It was all crusty and gross. So I had to just switch it out. So super cool, thumbs up.